It's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JNUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from, and definitely want to get the chart updated here. And it's kind of one of those that I like to call an it depends type chart. What do I mean by that? Well, what do I think about it? Well, I don't know. It depends. If you're a day trader and you bought right there and you were hoping to sell within, 17.5 seconds, then yeah, for you, the chart's looking pretty rough. If you care about the bigger picture of things, meaning multiple days, then sure, today in and of itself, not the best day at all. But again, big picture, the bulls still do have an opportunity to build a higher base. And again, from the overall perspective of things, that's what you care about. Higher bases allow for those higher, lows to be put in, and then you can start to draw those uptrend lines and therefore have an uptrend. So yeah, the Bears definitely won the day. They kind of won the battle, but the war the past few days is still in the Bulls' hand because, the price is still uptrending, and, I'll get that hopefully illustrated in a clearer fashion. So the first update, though, that needs to be made comes from a foundational principle in charting, and that states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So for those of you that did watch the video yesterday, hopefully you remember me talking about $6.20 as a level of support. But now that the price has broken back below it on any sort of bounce back upwards, that would be the initial area of resistance that the bulls would have to fight back above. Then of course you still have the $7 mark up there, which is essentially what knocked it down here. Yeah, there was a little bit of a move up above it, but that didn't last very long before the price collapsed back below it. But $7 is no point in talking about $7 as resistance until the bulls can first get above $6.20. Now, in regard to levels of support, there's kind of three areas or three different points that are all in the same area. The first point is you have the purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. The other point is that pink line right there, the 200-period simple moving average. And then you have this level that I've talked about in past videos right here at $5.35. So they're all kind of within this range. And I keep saying that, from the big picture, the bulls still have an opportunity to put in a higher low, meaning let's just say that the price ultimately comes all the way down here. Heck, let's say it actually goes down here a little bit, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have even in that situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this previous set of lows down here. And if you picture each of these as stair steps, the stair steps would still be going in the upwards direction, and therefore that would still be progress being made. So yeah, today, in and of itself, not the greatest day, but from grand scheme of things, bulls still have an opportunity to continue on with the overall uptrend. So we'll see if they can do it or not next week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks and ETFs that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate ETFs and stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a happy new year.